All right, guys, so I just got back from Tampa, and while I was there, I got into a heated debate. I guess I wouldn't really say it was a heated debate, but a debate with your boy Get Beamed over corded versus cordless clippers. I want your guys' opinion, so watch this video. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, my man Beam rocks with the corded master. I haven't used a master since barber school, but I did use a corded senior for a long time, and it was super solid. But basically, the point is, or the question is, does the convenience of a cordless clipper outweigh the power and the strength of a corded clipper?
Clipper, like haircut clipper to you?
I don't know. That's tough.
No, you know. What's the best to you right now? Cordless clipper.
Right now, or
cutting
like
hair?
If I had to pick one.
Haircut.
Yeah.
Because I gotta go with my man over here.
Come on.
Yeah, be honest.
A senior.
Okay, so a cordless
senior. I think it's the best overall cordless that's come out today.
I think it is the best as well, but the corded senior is better.
It depends on what you like.
No, it's the consistency is better.
The consistency is better with the cord.
All right, now let's go with trimmer. Let's go to trimmer now.
Okay.
Don't say Babyliss.
Yeah.
You gonna say the Babyliss?
Yeah. The Saber doesn't have the longevity yet for me to say it's better. I'll put it right there with it.
That's respect, because I'm just saying a regular gray T outliner or GTX will beat that trimmer.
Corded.
Any day.
But I'm not using it corded. I'll take the slight inconsistency, which I don't see it as inconsistent, but I get what you mean.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it's not bad enough to where you can say it's inconsistent. But on a technical scale,
what you get with a cord, I get.
Yeah, I'm gonna say on a technical scale.
I'm taking the slight inconsistency for cordless over a cord.
No, that's respect. I'll deal with that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say it's better or worse.
I just needed you to acknowowledge on the technicality.
I understand what you mean.
When you gotta break them down statistic for statistic.
It's
a cord.
As much as I was joking about a phone with a cord, it's the same thing. You don't drop calls on a phone with a cord because it's wired in.
Yeah, you landline.
Yeah, exactly.
You get what I mean?
I understand.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Are you gonna go back to having a phone with a cord versus a clipper cordless?
You live in a 3-story house. You want to be playing your Xbox wireless?
Yeah.
Exactly. You gonna fall right the hell offline. That's the difference. That's the point. That's the point. I try to tell them every time. They don't listen to me. All my tools is cordless, but I'm not finna sit here and act like cordless can just be corded. Like it's not.
But
come on,
there's a reason that you're using cordless.
No, so the reason I'm using is conveniency of no cord.
Exactly.
That's it.
But that's outweighing that slight consistency.
Performance wise though, like nah. But I think they
slight the slight whatever you want to say that it's less than the corded. Being able to move a cordless outweighs it.
So let's say this. Cordless, I'll take trimmers. I can run with them all day because it don't require too much work. Then it come to corded, it just really depends what type of haircut I want to do.
That's and like you, those are your babies.
These are
those are your babies. But
nah, you didn't just see me. I opened the screws up on them. They moving left to right. They're not even tied down.
What if you just put the cord in the cordless seniors and just kept the cord on?
Say that again.
What if you just kept the charger, like the cord in the cordless seniors? Would you take that over a corded senior?
No. No, because the cord only gives it. The cord only gives it. The cord only gives it the power, like as if it was fully charged. But that don't take away the consistency of it. Two different motors.
Yeah, 2 different motors. Yeah.
Definitely 2 different motors.
But the point we both just agreed on is I'm going cordless for the convenience.
Yeah, I'm going corded any day. I mean cordless any day for the convenience.
If it was twice as good, we might be having a different discussion.
No,
but it's close enough, right? And we've gotten used to what cordless stuff does, and it's acceptable.
Yeah, no, it's more than acceptable in today's industry. I think it's the new standard.
Yeah.
But I do feel like anybody that was a corded fan, once they go back to corded, they're like, damn.
This is kind of nice.
I forgot how great these were.
I've been in long enough to have used all corded clippers, so I get what you're saying, but I'm not going back. I'm going with cordless still. You know?
I gotta go with cordless. So.